A partnership deepens. Modi and Trump meet again. On February 13, 2025, Indian Prime Minister Narendra Modi met with U.S. President Donald Trump in Washington, D.C. This marked Modi's first visit to the U.S. since the start of Trump's second term. The meeting was highly anticipated, signaling the importance both countries place on strengthening their bilateral relationship. The two leaders engaged in discussions on a range of critical issues, including economic cooperation, defense partnerships, and strategic alliances in the Indo-Pacific region. This meeting underscored the deepening partnership between the U.S. and India, two of the world's largest democracies. The Modi-Trump meeting was not just a diplomatic formality, it represented a significant step in solidifying the U.S.-India Comprehensive Global Strategic Partnership. This partnership, established in recent years, aims to enhance cooperation across various sectors, from trade and technology to defense and global security. The meeting provided an opportunity to review progress made and chart a course for future collaboration. Both leaders expressed their commitment to further strengthening this partnership for mutual benefit. The meeting took place over a period of 36 hours, reflecting the depth and breadth of the issues discussed. It included various formats, from restricted one-on-one meetings to delegation-level talks involving key officials from both sides. A joint press conference allowed the leaders to publicly address key outcomes and reiterate their shared vision for the U.S.-India partnership. Adding a personal touch, President Trump hosted Prime Minister Modi for a private dinner, providing an informal setting for further dialogue and relationship building. Forging economic and strategic bonds. The discussions between Modi and Trump focused heavily on strengthening economic ties. Trade was a key area of interest, with both leaders recognizing the potential for expanding bilateral trade and investment. President Trump, known for his focus on trade deals, likely pushed for increased access to the Indian market for U.S. goods and services. Prime Minister Modi, representing one of the world's fastest-growing economies, likely sought to secure favorable trade terms and address concerns over tariffs. Defense cooperation was another significant aspect of the meeting. The U.S. and India have been steadily increasing their defense partnerships in recent years, conducting joint military exercises and sharing defense technology. This cooperation is partly driven by shared security concerns, particularly the growing assertiveness of China in the Indo-Pacific region. The leaders likely discussed ways to further enhance defense cooperation, including potential arms sales and joint development of military technologies. Technology emerged as a critical area of collaboration. The U.S. and India are both technological powerhouses with strengths in areas like information technology, artificial intelligence, and space exploration. The meeting likely involved discussions on deepening cooperation in these fields, fostering innovation, and promoting joint research and development initiatives. Cybersecurity, a growing concern in the digital age, also likely featured prominently in the talks. Energy security was another important item on the agenda. The U.S. has emerged as a major energy producer in recent years, particularly in oil and gas. India, with its rapidly growing economy, is a major energy consumer. The leaders likely discussed opportunities for increasing energy trade between the two countries, potentially reducing India's reliance on other energy suppliers. This could involve increased imports of U.S. oil and gas, as well as collaborations in renewable energy and energy efficiency technologies. Navigating a complex world geopolitics takes center stage. Beyond bilateral issues, the Modi-Trump meeting had significant geopolitical implications. The Indo-Pacific region, witnessing shifting power dynamics and increasing strategic competition, was a key focus of discussions. Both the U.S. and India view China's growing influence in the region with concern. They see the strengthening of their partnership as crucial to maintaining a free and open Indo-Pacific. The Indo-Pacific Quad, a strategic dialogue involving the U.S., India, Japan, and Australia, was a key topic of conversation. The Quad is seen as a counterweight to China's growing regional assertiveness. The leaders likely discussed ways to enhance cooperation within the Quad framework, including joint naval exercises and infrastructure development initiatives. Prime Minister Modi may have extended an invitation to President Trump to attend the upcoming Quad meeting in Delhi, further solidifying the group's importance. The ongoing conflicts in Ukraine and Gaza also likely featured in the discussions. India, with its long-standing tradition of non-alignment and its growing global influence, is seen as a potential mediator in these conflicts. The leaders may have explored ways to coordinate their diplomatic efforts to find peaceful resolutions to these crises. The development of the Chabahar port in Iran, a project with significant strategic implications for both the US and India, was another potential topic of conversation. The meeting wasn't without its points of contention. Trade tensions, stemming from President Trump's tariff policies and the US trade deficit with India, remained an underlying issue. The deportation of Indian illegal immigrants from the US, a topic raised by some members of Congress, was another potential point of friction. However, both leaders emphasized their commitment to finding mutually beneficial solutions to these challenges, demonstrating the strength of the overall bilateral relationship. The power of personal diplomacy. The Modi-Trump meeting highlighted the importance of personal diplomacy in international relations. Prime Minister Modi and President Trump have developed a strong personal rapport over the years, stemming from previous meetings and events like Howdy Modi President Trump's visit to Ahmedabad. This personal connection has undoubtedly played a role in fostering stronger ties between the two countries. The informal aspects of the visit, such as the private dinner hosted by President Trump and Prime Minister Modi's stay at Blair House, further underscored the personal dimension of their relationship. These interactions provide opportunities for leaders to engage in frank and open dialogue, build trust, and develop a deeper understanding of each other's perspectives. Such personal connections can be invaluable in navigating complex diplomatic issues and finding common ground. The Modi-Trump meeting, with its focus on strengthening economic and strategic ties, showcased the growing importance of the US-India partnership on the global stage. As both countries navigate a rapidly changing world order, marked by geopolitical shifts and emerging challenges, their ability to work together effectively will be crucial. The personal rapport between Prime Minister Modi and President Trump, fostered through various interactions, adds a unique dimension to this partnership, potentially paving the way for greater cooperation and understanding in the years to come.